Welcome, welcome. Come in. I want to give you all a tour of the house that we're staying in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So come on through. Let's first just start off in the living room. As you can see, it's a pretty nice, big, spacious area. Great couch. I've already spent a decent amount of time on this couch, but I'm a bit wet, so I don't want to sit on here. But believe me, it's nice and comfortable. Has a working TV, which we've already watched a couple of different shows. One of the cool things that I want to give a shout out to the host, Goy. Seems like Goy is a marathon runner, so this is pretty inspiring for me. It reminds me that I need to start running my marathons or training for one. Now, let's go out over here to the balcony. And on this balcony, you'll see the view of the other condos and apartments. But down below, we have access to this beautiful pool that I've already swam in myself. I think I'll try to wake up early each day to swim some more and work out. Let's come on back inside. So, there's a little table right here for us to sit down. The host was so kind to give us some free complimentary things, like this party pack snack, which is actually pretty delicious. It's crunchy and very flavorful. Other free things that they gave is some coffee pods. There's 3, but if we use all 3, then everything else is 30 baht each, which $1 equals to about 36 baht at this current time. Other cool features is water. They're kind enough to give us a water filtering system. This is the first that I've actually seen in Asia. And the cool thing is that it's a double water filtering system. So they have a filter that is connected to the sink. And they say to turn it on with this to activate the filter, and then filter it with the Brita water filter over here. So double clean water. Making our way over to the bedroom, we'll find ourselves with this nice spacious room with a giant king-size bed. So plenty of room for activities and comfy sleeping. Comes with a nice air conditioner. They also have an air purifier here in case we need to use it, so that's even kinder. I don't even know how to turn it on, but I'll figure out later. I would like to direct you guys to the statues. Our first pudgy horse and pudgy warrior statue. I don't know if they have an official name, but they're pretty cool. And over here, we see 2 other ones. So I really do like the decor of this place. So Goy, you did a fantastic job. I really like what you're doing here. Also, to the left, we'll see a desk that if you wanted to do some work, you could obviously do work here. What else? Oh yeah, let's make our way over to this. What is this? A hairdresser place? Makeup? I don't know. I don't use this. I don't use any of this stuff, but whatever. Vanity, closet with extra towels and toilet paper. More closet space in case you needed it. But man, this would be a really great place to live on your own. And then bathroom. This bathroom is pretty magical. It's got a nice toilet right here. It's got a shower right here. And then even a bathtub behind us in case you wanted to take a nice little bath. And other cool things with the decor and the theme is seen over here. Some nice fish. So I guess something good to stare at when you take a bath. But yeah. Either way, really, really cool place, and I would definitely recommend. Other thing is, when we got here, it was really, really clean. So if cleanliness is your thing, then this place is definitely good to check out. But I'm gonna end it right here because I need to go take a shower and then go out to eat. So I'll catch you all later. Take care, bye-bye.